Today we're going to be slaying a wig from my own wig collection. This is a 12-inch full lace body wave wig. This wig comes with 2 clips on the side, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. And as you can see, there are no tracks in this wig at all. And the hairline comes pre-plucked already, so you really don't have to even pluck a lot. Before I started recording, I had went ahead and did the ball cap method on my hair with my stocking cap from my local beauty supply store. Right here, I'm just adjusting the wig strap in the back to my liking. Now once I got the wig like I like it, I'll pull the lace back and get ready for the glue. The glue that we will be using today is Ghost Bond. This glue is sold at your local beauty supply store. Now when I'm gluing, I always use 3 coats of glue. When you're applying the lace glue, you want to make sure that you are applying thin layers. This is very important. Once you have applied 3 layers of glue and the lace glue has turned clear, it's time to apply the lace. Now once I have the lace laid exactly where I want it, I will use my fingertips to match the glue around my hairline. Now it's time to cut the lace. Now when I start cutting the lace, I always cut starting around the ear line because it makes it a little bit more easier. Now once I've cut around the ear line, I'll start going across the hairline. Now when I do the hairline, I always go in a zigzag motion. You do not want to go in a straight line because it'll make it look straight around your hairline. Always go in a zigzag motion because it makes it look more natural. Hold up, I got something for that. Just a second. Okay, so once I've cut all the lace around the hairline, I will go and check and see if I have any area still lifting. If I have area still lifting, I will take like a rack tail cone or anything that will get up under that lace and just put glue up under it. Once that glue turns clear, it's ready to lay down. Okay, so once I have all the hairline glued down, I can still see little spots where you can tell that it's lace there. So I'm going to show you a little trick to get rid of that. What I use to blend that lace into my skin is LA Color Contour Palette, and you can purchase this at your local beauty supply store. Wet lace, guys. Wet lace. Also, guys, as you can see, this wig can be parted in different areas. You can do a middle part, you can do a side part. This is a full lace, so you can actually do 2 braids straight to the back. To achieve the curls in the hair, just get you a bottle of plain water. You don't need nothing else but plain water, and just spray the hair down with the water and watch how those curls just bounce back. So this right here is optional. Some people like baby hairs, some don't. Me personally, I like minimal baby hairs, just a little. So I'm just gonna create just a little baby hairs. Once I got the hairline like I like it, I'll get a strip paper and wrap around it and just let it just melt in. Okay, while waiting, I'm using my straightening comb to create my part, and I'm just smoothing over the area where I like my part at. Now it's time to cut the paper. Yes, guys, I'm feeling myself. Wait a minute, guys. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.